Good morning, viewers. We're up here at the flying field in Whittlesea, which is northern Victoria, north of Melbourne, probably about 40 kilometres. We've got a frost here this morning. You can see here the frost on the grass. Our good member yesterday, Daniel, come up on his ride-on and mowed it for us, which is good. I've got the van parked in here and we've got some batteries on charge. Now, I decided not to run the generator this morning. It is fairly early, so I brought the Blue Eddy up, and it's only chewing up about 119 watts at the moment. And I'm charging this flight battery for my cub, this one here. And of course, I don't usually like to charge inside the car, but I'm not going to turn my back on it. So if it does hand grenade, I can rip it straight out and throw it in the bushes. Speaking of bushes, how cool is this? Beautiful creek down here. Hey, how's the serenity? Oh, there it is.
tricky to get off the ground just because of the thing.